Are you looking for a reliable local dumpster rental in Toms River, New Jersey? Look no further than ALCO Disposal. Whether it's a home renovation, a construction project, or a simple cleanout, our dumpsters are ideal for any job. At ALCO Disposal, we pride ourselves on providing unbeatable customer service, affordable rates, and flexible scheduling. Our customer service team is dedicated to making your experience seamless and stress-free. We ensure clear communication and prompt assistance from the moment you contact us. Affordable rates are at the core of our services. We offer competitive pricing to fit any budget, making waste management accessible for everyone. We understand every project is unique, so we offer flexible scheduling options. We also guarantee punctual delivery, ensuring your dumpster arrives precisely when needed. Our commitment to sustainability ensures that we dispose of your waste responsibly, helping to keep Toms River clean and green. Choose ALCO Disposal for your next project and experience the best in local dumpster rental. Visit our website at www.alcodisposal.com. Dumpster rental Toms River NJ, or call 732-349-5658 to book your dumpster rental today. We're dedicated to providing fast, friendly, and reliable service every time. ALCO Disposal, making waste management easy in Toms River, New Jersey.